Phone not charging.
Charging pin stuck inside charging cable.
You can fix it yourself. Works on most phone. Easy fix. No soldering needed. Remove back cover with a simple plastic tool. Some phones have fingerprint cable under cover. Lift slowly. Flex cable and antenna gently. Avoid damage. Heat with hairdryer if board is stuck. Keeping it might fix the broken connector later. Part available at repair and parts shops. Install original charging board. Reconnect flex cable and antenna. If the battery is very low, phone may take time to show charging. Just wait. Test charging. Success. Now testing charging speed with phone on. Original board replaced. No soldering. Final charging test. Perfect result.
If this video helped, feel free to like and subscribe. If not, no worries.